All right, we're going to be making an answer key for C12P. It's going to move relatively quickly. The idea is that you've already finished this sheet, and you're using this to go through your answers to figure out what questions you have when you come to class tomorrow. You can also be using pause and rewind multiple times as needed as we go through this. All right, simplifying. This would be 9 to the power of 3 plus 4, which would be 9 to the power of 7. This would be 11 to the power of 8 minus 4, which would be 11 to the power of 4. This would be y to the power of 3 times 2, which would be y to the power of 6. Number 4 would be 5 to the power of 3 over 4 plus 1 over 6, which would be, let's see here, we'd have 3 over 4. That one needs another copy of 3, plus 1 over 6 needs another copy of 2. So that would be 9 over 12 plus 2 over 12, which would be 11 over 12. So it's 5 to the power of 11 over 12. Here we would have 7 to the power of 5 over 8 minus 1 over 4. We'd multiply this one by 2 over 2. That would be 5 over 8 minus 2 over 8. So we would have 7 to the power of 3 over 8. And the last one of this first block is going to be 3 to the power of 1 over 4 times 2 over 3. Which would be 3 to the power of those 2's would divide out to 1. We'd have 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So to the power of 1/6. The quick thing to recognize here is that number 1 and 4 are effectively doing the same thing mechanically, so are number 2 and 5, so are number 3 and 6. So if you're trying to understand why we do what we do down here, go back to your understandings of why we do what we do on problems 1 through 3. The next video will have more solutions, or more answers to the questions we're asking.